hundreds of families have fled their homes amid fears a cocktail of deadly chemicals had been spewed into the atmosphere after two huge explosions rocked the Chinese port city of Tianjin. At least 50 people have died and 700 injured after the blasts erupted at a warehouse for hazardous materials, leaving an apocalyptic landscape of incinerated cars, crumpled shipping containers and burnt-out buildings. It is believed the warehouse contained at least 700 tons of sodium cyanide, a toxic chemical that can kill rapidly if inhaled, as well as other highly flammable and dangerous materials. As chemical experts were sent to assess the scene, officials fueled panic by refusing to say what was being stored or offering any explanation for the cause of the disaster. The incident has raised questions, also as yet unanswered, about whether the materials had been properly stored,